guys and welcome. This is me, JBO, singing vegan mum. I hope everybody is doing wonderful out there. Well, I'm doing great. If you didn't know, I have a single out at the moment. It's called Back to Love. It's been 3 weeks and wow, what a 3 weeks it's been. My song Back to Love has just taken off unbelievably. And here is a little snippet of it, just in case you haven't heard it.
No more stress, gotta get up now and bring it on back to love. Bring it on back now, gotta get up now. Bring it on back to no regrets. Shaking it off now and bring it on back to love. Bring it on back now, shaking it off now and bring it on back to love.
So I sing, I'm a vegan and I'm a mum. So the vegan bit is I always come to you and I make lovely healthy recipes for you. So because I'm in such a good mood, because the single's doing so well, I thought I would continue with the cake making, because last week I made a sprinkle cake and it went down so well. I thought, okay, I'm going to make you a next cake or another cake. I'm making a coconut cake and the frosting will have coconut and rum in it. Oh my gosh. Well, we are celebrating, aren't we? So guys, let me show you how I made the cake, and at the end I'll tell you all about my fantastic, terrific week. Let's get into it, guys. Coconut cake. So it's all go, guys. I've literally just finished filming an online festival called Back to Love, actually. It's usually in Southport or something. Now I'm going to go inside and do an online interview with Dr. Donnie D.
And made Back to Love a new classic. So I believe this probably is the last question.
Okay.
Right. The last question is, what does the future hold for JB Rose? For tomorrow and in 5 years' time?
For tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow is, oh Lord. I can't. It's there in front of me. Oh, tomorrow. I knew it was important for me to say tomorrow.
There you go.
Because I remember. Tomorrow, myself and my co-writers, Neville from 2B3, Shantae Marie, we're going to write the second single after this. Now, we have a whole load of other songs, but because Back to Love has done so well, we looked back at what we have and we've gone, So tomorrow I'm doing songwriting.
And in 5 years' time?
5 years' time, I'm hoping to have at least 2 or 3 albums under my belt.
I believe you.
And also, I would have had maybe 1 or 2 cookbooks on the shelves.
Yeah.
So the kids are officially at home, although, of course, they've just been at home. So they have been asking me to make biscuits. They love my biscuits. So this is what it looks like. Also, people always ask me, what do you eat as a vegan? So I thought I would show you my favorite vegan meal that I made this week, made out of cauliflower and vegetables with 2 homemade vegan burgers. That's my meal. Okay, so what have I been asked to do? I've been doing lots of jingles for DJs. I did a couple of interviews. My single is still riding very high in the soul charts and the urban charts and in the Grenadian charts. And I think parts of America are getting it. I'm hearing from Brazil. It's fantastic. So guys, thank you so much for streaming and downloading and telling everybody about my single Back to Love, which was written just to cheer us up during this challenging time that we're going through at the moment. So the cake is all done. Shall we try it? Oh, hold on a minute. We're well into the video and I forgot to ask you to like and subscribe. So guys, please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Anyway, time to taste the cake. Hold on a minute. So as you can see, this is a beautiful texture, lovely spongy texture, and the coconut and everything, it's looking delish. But of course, you know, when we're eating cake, we must have tea. Here's one I made earlier. So time for the taste test. Now I don't drink alcohol, but the rum is just really rum flavouring, but you can make it with real rum if you want. We're celebrating. Oh my gosh. In fact, this is so nice. I might have to just switch off the camera and just enjoy this without you because it's just too nice. The coconut is crunchy. You can taste this rum flavour. I can't even speak for how nice it is. This is nice. Why, guys? One day I'm going to have to invite you round to try some of this stuff. It's absolutely delish. So look, I'm going to just go off now and finish off this cake. And guys, I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, download and listen to my single Back to Love, and I will see you next time. Stay blessed.
No more stress.